When you think of canned fish, what comes to mind? Do you picture a culinary adventure or something far less inspiring? Perhaps you envision a quick and easy meal, or maybe something you'd only reach for in a pinch. Is it just a sad tin of tuna lurking in the back of your pantry, reserved solely for emergencies in those days when cooking feels like an impossible task? Maybe a soggy sandwich from your school days haunts your memories? That bland, mayonnaise-laden concoction that sat heavy in your stomach all afternoon? For years, tinned fish has had a bad rap, unfairly relegated to the bottom shelf of culinary respect. Seen as a last resort, a basic, boring, and frankly uninspired option when all other possibilities have been exhausted. It's often overlooked in favor of fresher, seemingly more exciting ingredients. But you've got it all wrong. It's time to shatter those preconceived notions and rediscover the incredible potential hidden within those humble tins. Inside those humble tins is a world of flavor just waiting to be unlocked. Forget everything you think you know about canned fish and endless possibilities. It's a culinary playground, a treasure trove of deliciousness that can elevate your meals from mundane to magnificent. Canned fish isn't just for emergencies or for those who lack the time or skills to cook from scratch. It's one of the most exciting, versatile ingredients in your kitchen, capable of transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces. It's a secret weapon for busy weeknights and impromptu gatherings alike. Imagine turning something dull, something seemingly ordinary, into a dish that makes your taste buds sing, a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate and leaves you craving more. We all want food that's quick, easy, something we can whip up in minutes without sacrificing flavor or quality, affordable and delicious. We want meals that nourish our bodies and delight our senses without breaking the bank. Canned fish ticks every box. It's the answer to your culinary prayers, the solution to your dinnertime dilemmas. From speedy lunches that can be prepared in under 5 minutes to elegant dinner party starters that will impress your guests with minimal effort, these tins can do it all. They're a blank canvas for your culinary creativity, a versatile ingredient that can be adapted to suit any taste or occasion. The world of canned fish is massive, a vast and diverse ocean of flavors and textures just waiting to be explored. Think beyond tuna. There's a whole universe of deliciousness out there, far beyond the familiar confines of that humble can. There's sardines in chili oil, packed with a fiery kick that will awaken your senses, smoky mackerel infused with a rich wood-fired flavor that adds depth and complexity to any dish, and beautiful pink salmon, a delicate and flavorful option that's perfect for salads, sandwiches, or even elegant appetizers. These aren't just ingredients, they're culinary building blocks. They're your secret weapon for stunning dishes with zero fuss. They're the key to effortless gourmet meals that will impress your friends and family without requiring hours in the kitchen. Ready to see how brilliant canned fish can be? Are you prepared to have your culinary horizons expanded and your taste buds tantalized? Let's get stuck in. Let's dive headfirst into the wonderful world of canned fish and discover the endless possibilities that await. Tinned fish has been a pantry staple for ages, practical, affordable, but never glamorous. But then, chefs in Portugal and Spain started serving beautiful tins of sardines and anchovies with crusty bread and wine. Suddenly, tinned fish was a star. Posh nosh. People realized these tins held high-quality, delicious fish. Food lovers caught on, drawn in by gorgeous packaging and artisanal producers using the best fish and olive oils. Tinned fish became a foodie secret, a gourmet ingredient. Now it's all over social media, celebrated for convenience, health, and taste. No longer hidden away, these colorful tins are displayed proudly, promising quick, delicious meals. It's accessible to everyone. You don't need to be a chef, just a tin opener and a bit of imagination. The humble tin has had a glow-up. Time to join the revolution. Let's dive into the world of canned fish and debunk some common misconceptions. There are so many myths surrounding this versatile ingredient, and it's time we set the record straight. The biggest myth? Canned fish is just for SOS meals. You know, those last resort emergency situations when the fridge is bare, and that it's always the same old sardines on toast or tuna mayo sandwiches. While those are classics for a reason, limiting yourself to just these options is a culinary crime. But that's like saying potatoes can only be boiled. Potatoes are incredibly versatile, and so is canned fish. Tinned fish is a flavor-packed protein already cooked and ready to go. It's a convenient and delicious way to add nutrients to your diet. Flake it into pasta sauce, adding a rich, savory depth that will elevate your weeknight dinner. Mash it for fish cakes, creating a comforting and flavorful dish that's perfect for a quick lunch or dinner, or stir it through scrambled eggs. This adds a boost of protein and omega-3s to your breakfast, setting you up for a productive day. The possibilities are endless once you stop thinking of it as just sandwich filler. Canned fish can be the star of so many dishes, from appetizers to main courses. Each type has its own unique taste, texture, and nutritional profile. There's rich mackerel, delicate salmon, each offering a distinct flavor experience, and sardines in spicy tomato or olive oil, adding a kick to your meals. Don't throw away the oil or sauce. It's packed with flavor and nutrients. It's liquid gold for dressings or pasta, adding a delicious and healthy touch. Next time you see a tin, see it as an invitation to get creative. Think beyond the usual and explore the endless possibilities. Whiz it into pâté, creating a sophisticated appetizer for your next gathering. Scatter it on pizza, adding a unique and flavorful twist to a classic dish. Or stuff it in a baked sweet potato, creating a hearty and nutritious meal that's both satisfying and delicious. Break free from the SOS mindset. Canned fish is so much more than just a backup plan. A humble tin can unlock some of the most exciting, unexpected flavors and culinary adventures. It can lead to stress-free cooking you'll ever do, allowing you to create delicious meals with minimal effort. Time to play! Experiment with different types of canned fish, flavors, and recipes, and discover your new favorite way to enjoy this versatile ingredient. Let's talk fish! The world of tinned fish is a treasure trove for food lovers. Move past just tuna. There's a whole team of stars waiting to shine. Sardines are flavor bombs, rich, oily, and packed with calcium. Try them on sourdough with lemon and parsley. Mackerel is a superstar, smoky, meaty, and full of omega-3s. Flake it into potato salad or mash for a speedy pâté. Salmon and tuna? Go for wild salmon for richer flavor, perfect in fish cakes or pasta. For tuna, choose olive oil-packed fillets for better texture and taste. Use them in salade niçoise or wraps. The point? Explore, be curious, and try something new. Each tin is a chance to discover a new favorite. Don't be afraid to experiment. There's a whole ocean of options out there. Your pantry just got a lot more exciting. Dive in. First recipe, sardine bruschetta. Super simple, quick, and impressive. Grab good bread, ciabatta or sourdough, slice, drizzle with olive oil, and toast until golden. Rub hot toast with a cut clove of garlic for subtle flavor. Open a tin of sardines in olive oil, drain most of the oil, and break up the fish with a fork. Add chopped cherry tomatoes, parsley, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Mix gently. Pile the sardine mix onto your garlic toast, letting the juices soak in. Finish with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil and a sprinkle of parsley. That's it. A stunning appetizer ready in minutes. It looks and tastes like you spent ages, but it's effortless. The perfect way to show off tinned fish. Get in. Main course, speedy smoked mackerel pasta. Comforting, flavorful, and easy. Cook your favorite long pasta. In a pan, heat olive oil. Add chopped garlic and red chili and sizzle until fragrant. Add cherry tomatoes or tinned tomatoes, season and simmer until saucy. Flake in tinned smoked mackerel, drain pasta, saving some water. Toss pasta with sauce, mackerel, fresh parsley or rocket, and lemon juice. Add a splash of pasta water for a silky sauce. Serve in big bowls, hearty, quick, and delicious, perfect for busy nights or impressing friends. Restaurant quality, pantry simple, job done. Need a quick, healthy snack? Try speedy salmon and cream cheese bites. Drain a tin of salmon and flake it in a bowl. Add cream cheese, full fat for richness or light for a healthier twist. Squeeze in lemon juice, add chopped dill or chives, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Mix into a creamy pink pâté. Spoon onto cucumber slices, rice cakes, or rye bread, or fill celery sticks for a retro snack. Top with extra dill for a pretty finish. Protein-packed, fresh, and ready in minutes. Perfect for lunch, snacks, or parties. How easy was that? Tinned fish isn't just tasty, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Oily fish like sardines, mackerel, and salmon are loaded with omega-3s for brain and heart health. It's an easy, affordable way to get lean protein and stay full longer. The soft bones in sardines and salmon are a great source of calcium. Plus, you get vitamin D and B vitamins for energy and immunity. Every tin is a boost for your body. Healthy eating made simple. Your cupboard just got healthier. So there you have it, the humble tin of fish. It's often overlooked, relegated to the back of the pantry, but it's time we change that. We're about to unlock a world of culinary possibilities hidden within these unassuming cans. Is a flavor-packed, versatile secret weapon. From the briny depths of sardines to the smoky allure of mackerel, each tin holds a unique profile just waiting to be unleashed. Think of it as a concentrated burst of the ocean, ready to elevate your everyday meals. Next time you're in the supermarket, don't just breeze past the canned goods. Take a detour, a little adventure into the world of preserved seafood. Stop at the tinned fish aisle and pick up something new. Challenge yourself to try something you've never had before. Maybe it's smoked oysters, or perhaps some anchovies packed in olive oil. Be brave, experiment, read the labels, and see what catches your eye. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, and have fun with your food. Cooking should be an enjoyable experience, a chance to express your creativity and nourish your body. Mash it, break it down, get it ready to mingle with other flavors. Flake it, gently separate the delicate pieces, preserving their texture. Mix it, see what happens. Combine it with herbs, spices, sauces, and discover new flavor combinations. Cooking should be fun, not a chore, a chance to unwind and create something delicious. And tinned fish makes it easy. It's your shortcut to a flavorful and satisfying meal. No need to worry about cooking fish from raw. No scaling, no filleting, no fuss. The hard part's done. It's already cooked to perfection, ready to be enjoyed straight from the can or transformed into something amazing. Toss it with pasta for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. Pile it on toast for a satisfying and protein-packed snack or light meal, or mix it into a salad. Add some greens, veggies, and a zesty dressing for a refreshing and healthy lunch. The recipes here are just a starting point, a springboard for your own culinary creations. Make them your own. Add your favorite spices, swap out ingredients, and let your imagination run wild. Go to your pantry, that treasure trove of culinary possibilities. Grab a tin, any tin, and let it be the star of your next meal and make something brilliant tonight. Transform simple ingredients into a culinary masterpiece. Don't overthink it. Cooking shouldn't be stressful. Just get stuck in. Embrace the process, experiment with flavors, and enjoy the journey. Rediscover the joy of cooking from your cupboard. You already have everything you need to create something amazing. You're a legend in the kitchen, believe it. You have the skills, the creativity, and the passion to create delicious meals. Now, what are you waiting for? The possibilities are endless. The flavors are waiting to be discovered. Get cooking, unleash your inner chef, and create something amazing with the humble tin of fish.